Hey folks, it's Egwin here from Beyond Systems. I just quickly wanted to reach out to all of you guys and let you know about the upcoming months. Now, see, this coming year 2019 now is really gonna be an exciting and amazing one. First of all, there are going to be amazing workshops and retreats all around the globe. And I'm really looking forward to those. So if you want to engage with me, with Beyond Systems, with aerial acrobatics, with personal development on a whole new level all around the globe, then pay attention right now, because there are a couple of opportunities within this year. First and next one to come up is between the 8th and the 14th of June. It's going to be the Live Beyond Systems retreat in Croatia, where we're really going to dive into all the fundamentals of body mechanics, of consciousness, of personal development, and how all those things are linked with movement and how we can apply them in real life in the most simplest and really best possible way. Right after that, I'm gonna hop on the plane and jump over to Canada to participate in the yearly Radiant Wellcare Summit, which is a summit that I co-founded with 4 other colleagues. It's gonna be this time on Quadra Island in Vancouver Island in Canada. It's gonna be amazing. It's a combination and a collaboration of professionals from all around the world. It's about movement, yoga, medicine, health, and just overall well-being, where we really try to create a neutral foundation for different health and well-being modalities to be able to talk with each other. After that, back to Austria, and then in July, there is going to be the next amazing thing. If you are a fan of the ocean, then this one is really for you. I'm going to be on a sail cruise. I organized that with my partner between the 13th and the 20th of July. This is going to be amazing. It's going to be sailing, it's going to be sun, it's going to be sea. And not just that, it's also going to be aerial acrobatics, which will weave into it. So just imagine hanging aerial silks off your boat or off cliffs close to the ocean and stuff like that. It doesn't matter whether or not you have any experience in aerial acrobatics, or it doesn't really matter. It's just an active holiday directly at the sea. It's going to be amazing. So if you want to join that, then let me know as well. After that, the summer, there are going to be a couple of different things. I'm going to reach out to you regarding this in the very near future. The next big thing is going to be in Sardinia between the 30th of September and the 5th of October. It's going to be the Embody Your Vision retreat in Croatia. Embodying Your Vision retreat in Croatia is amazing. We have rented a villa directly at the ocean as well. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be for entrepreneurs, but also for every single one of you who is interested in really progressing in their personal development. And we are going to talk about things like how can we actually manifest healthy living, and how can we manifest our visions and dreams in our physical body, so that what our physical body radiates to the outside actually supports us in every single thing that we do. So it's going to be, again, applicable tools for real life, both in movement as well as in consciousness. We are going to have completely healthy, vegetarian, if necessary, vegan nutrition there. It's going to be awesome. So if you want to engage with any of that, jump to my website www.movebeyondsystems.com or click one of the links below to the events directly. And if it's not for you, or you just don't have time at the moment, then you can still jump onto one of my online classes or follow me on my social media channels. So have a wonderful time. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good day, and see you somewhere in the world at one of my retreats, possibly. Bye.